Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time in your Honda Insight. First, locate the clock adjustment buttons, usually near the display. Turn your vehicle's ignition to the accessory mode. Then, press and hold the clock button to begin the setting process. This action prepares the clock for your adjustments, allowing you to modify the hours and minutes easily. Be ready to make your changes quickly. Once the clock is ready for adjustment, you will typically see the hour flashing. Use the button labeled H to change the hour. Each press will advance the hour by one. Continue pressing until the correct hour appears. Remember to pay attention to the AM or PM indicator to ensure your time is set accurately for day or night. After setting the hour, the minutes will usually begin flashing, indicating they are ready for adjustment. Now, use the button labeled M to change the minutes. Press this button repeatedly until the correct minute is displayed. For quicker adjustments, you can often press and hold the M button, which will advance the minutes more rapidly. Once both the hour and minutes are set correctly, release the clock button. This action will save your new time settings, and the clock will stop flashing. Take a moment to verify that the time displayed is accurate. If you encounter any difficulties or have a different model, always refer to your Honda Insight's owner's manual for precise instructions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.